Congratulations, you're more than halfway complete with this course. We are on day 4, module 4. Go ahead and click on the left-hand side modules, and then scroll down to module 4. Click on overview, and once again read through the overview. You'll have 2 deliverables for this module. You'll identify 3 technology tools that can be used in the online learning environment, and you're going to embed one of them into your lesson plan that you created during Module 2. We have lots of information for you in this module. All of these blue links are active links, and they will take you to free tools for you to explore on your own to see what will best fit your particular lesson. Click the Next button. And we have a couple of videos that just go into further how to use Google Classroom as a learning management system, learn more about Padlet, and Edmodo for training sessions online. This is your submission for Module 4. You're going to go back to your lesson plan that you developed during Module 2 and look at Stage 3. Stage 3, remember, was the content, your kind of module opener, the content that you go through in your module or your lesson, and then a closure. What is one technology tool? Well, first you're going to identify 3 technology tools that you could put into your training. This assignment is simply to give us the name of the tool and then a 1 to 2 sentence explanation of what you would do with that tool. Remember to click the Submit Assignment button. You can type it right into it, or if you're using a Word document to just keep everything, you can copy and paste. The second part is to dig a little bit deeper into one technology tool. So of those 3 tools that you just identified, choose one of the technology tools to embed into your lesson plan. Embedding means to expand on the brief explanation you gave in the previous assignment. So you're going to take your lesson plan and you're going to write out specifically how you are going to use it within your training module. You then are going to go ahead and click again that button, Submit Assignment, and submit your assignment. We're going to take a couple minutes just to review Module 5. On Friday, or day 5, we will be meeting together live in Zoom at 9:30 until 12. We know that on Friday you're going to be working on your participant deliverable, which is completing that culminating project template. As you work through this document, you're going to notice that there's a PowerPoint attached. You can use that as a template to lay out your entire project that you've been working on this week. What we ask is that when we come to our Zoom meeting together on Friday at 9:30, we understand you're not going to have this PowerPoint possibly ready because you may be working on it on Friday. But if you could bring your ideas and be willing to share with us during that time so we can collaborate and learn from one another. If you happen to be working ahead and have your PowerPoint ready and are interested in sharing that during our Zoom session on Friday, we would really enjoy for you to do that as well. That is all for Module 4. Thank you.